Hey everyone! Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I'm Luna.
And I'm Henry. If you're new here, we're really glad you're listening today.
Today's topic is very real, very common, and maybe a little scary.
Yep, your phone falls, boom, crack. Oh no.
That sound, it hurts your heart.
In North America, many people use iPhone, Samsung, or Google Pixel. Maybe you use Apple or Samsung too.
When the screen breaks, you don't just lose a screen. You lose Google Maps, Uber, banking apps, everything.
Especially if you just moved to Canada or the US. Your phone is your life helper.
I remember my first winter in Toronto. My phone slipped from my hand. It hit the sidewalk. Crack.
Ouch. Cold hands, slippery gloves, very dangerous for phones.
I picked it up slowly. I looked at the screen. Lines everywhere. I almost cried.
And then comes the big question. Where do I fix this?
And the bigger question, what do I say in English?
Today, we will help you step by step.
We will show you real conversations inside a phone repair shop.
We'll talk about changing the screen.
We'll talk about changing the battery.
We'll ask about price.
We'll ask about time.
We'll ask about warranty.
And we will keep the English simple, clear, A1 to A2 level.
You don't need big grammar. You just need clear sentences.
Even if your English is not perfect, you can still fix your phone.
Repair shop staff talk to many newcomers. They are used to simple English.
You can say short sentences like, "My screen is broken."
Or, the battery dies fast.
That is enough to start.
And remember, you are not alone.
We will practice together, slowly.
One situation at a time.
Imagine you walk into a phone repair shop.
The door opens. Ding ding.
The staff looks at you.
You hold your cracked phone.
And you take a deep breath.
Okay, let's begin our first real scene.
The shop feels quiet. My hands are still a little cold.
Yeah, and your screen is still cracked like spiderweb. Not good.
I walk to the counter slowly. I try to smile.
The staff looks friendly. That helps.
Okay, here we go.
Let's act it out. I'll be the repair staff.
And I'm the customer with a broken phone.
Ready.
Ready.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, my screen is broken.
Oh, I see. Did you drop it?
Yes, it fell on the ground.
No worries. We fix screens every day. What model is your phone?
It's an iPhone 13.
Okay, let me take a look.
Here you go.
Yeah, the glass is cracked, but the display still works. That's good.
So, can you fix it?
Yes, we can replace the screen.
Replace means change, right?
Exactly. Replace means take out the old one and put in a new one.
Okay, that sounds good.
Let's pause here and review some important phrases.
Yes, these are very useful.
First sentence. My screen is broken.
Very simple, very clear. You don't need long grammar.
Next question. Did you drop it?
Drop means the phone fell from your hand. Boom.
Another important question. What model is your phone?
Model means the type, like iPhone 13 or Samsung S23.
You can answer like this. It's an iPhone 13.
Or it's a Samsung Galaxy S22.
Good. Let's continue the conversation.
Yes, let's go on.
We can replace the screen today.
Oh, really? Today?
Yes, but I need to check one more thing. Does the touch still work?
Let me see. Yes, but sometimes it doesn't respond.
That's normal when the screen is cracked.
I was worried the phone was dead.
No, it's not dead, just injured.
Poor phone.
Don't worry, we'll make it look new again.
That sounds nice.
Let's review 2 more useful sentences.
Okay,
Can you fix it?
that's the key question. Very important.
And here is another one. How much is it?
Yes, always ask the price before you say yes.
Very smart advice.
Also, you can say, the screen has lines,
Or the glass is cracked.
or it doesn't respond.
All short, all clear.
I feel more confident already.
Good, that's the goal.
So after asking about the broken screen, the next big question is price.
Yes, let's talk about cost next.
I take a small breath. Now I need to ask about money.
Yes, this is the serious part.
I'm always nervous when I ask about price,
That's normal. Phone repair in North America is not cheap.
especially for iPhone. Oh no.
Okay, let's go back into the repair shop scene.
Yes, my phone is still in the staff's hand.
I'll be the repair staff again.
And I'm the customer with a cracked screen and a worried face.
All right, let's continue. So we can replace the screen for you.
Okay, how much is it?
For iPhone 13, the screen replacement is $220 plus tax.
Oh, $220. That's a lot.
Yes, original screen is more expensive.
Is there a cheaper option?
Yes, we have aftermarket screen. That one is $160 plus tax.
What's the difference?
The original screen is from Apple. The aftermarket screen is not from Apple, but it still works well.
Is the quality good?
Yes, the color may be a little different, but most customers are happy.
I see.
Let's pause and review important price questions.
Yes, this part is very useful.
First sentence, how much is it?
Very simple. You can use this everywhere.
Next one. Is there a cheaper option?
Option means another choice.
Good. Another helpful question. What's the difference?
You are asking how two things are not the same.
You can also ask, does it include tax?
Yes, in Canada and the US, price often does not include tax.
So $160 plus tax may be about $180 total.
That's important to know.
Let's continue the conversation.
Yes, I still need to decide.
So which one would you like?
If I choose the cheaper one, will it last long?
Yes, but maybe not as long as the original one.
I use my phone every day.
Then original screen may be better for you.
Okay, I think I'll choose the original screen.
Good choice.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept debit and credit card.
Do I pay now?
Yes, please pay before we start the repair.
Okay, tap tap, payment done.
Great, we will start working on it soon.
Let's review 2 more useful payment sentences.
Sure.
Can I pay by card?
And another one, do you accept cash?
Some small shops prefer cash.
Also, you can ask, can I get a receipt?
Always get a receipt, very important.
Yes, especially for warranty later.
Talking about price is not scary anymore.
Exactly. Short questions, clear answers.
Now that we talked about cost, I want to know something else.
Yes, the next big question is time.
I look at my phone again. I really need it today.
Yes, life without a phone feels scary. No maps, no messages, no payment apps.
So now I need to ask about time.
Very important question.
Okay, let's continue inside the repair shop.
I'm still the repair staff.
And I'm still the customer, hoping it's fast.
Let's go.
We received your payment. We will begin shortly.
How long will it take?
For screen replacement, about 1 hour.
1 hour? That's not too bad.
Yes, if there is no other damage.
What if there is other damage?
Then it may take longer, maybe 2 to 3 hours.
Oh, I see.
Do you want to wait here or come back later?
Can I wait here?
Yes, we have chairs over there.
Okay, I'll wait.
Let's pause and review time questions.
Yes, this part is very useful in daily life.
First question, how long will it take?
This means how much time do you need?
Very common sentence.
You can use it at doctor's office, car repair, anywhere.
Another question, can I wait here?
Simple and polite.
You can also say, what time can I pick it up?
Good sentence if you want to leave and come back.
Let's continue the scene.
Yes, I'm sitting in the chair now.
Time goes tick-tock.
I look at other broken phones on the wall. Crack, crack, everywhere.
After about 50 minutes, I walk to you.
Oh, is it ready?
Yes, we just finished replacing the screen.
That was fast.
Please give us 5 more minutes to test it.
Test means check, right?
Yes, we check the touch, the camera, the speaker.
That makes me feel safe.
Good repair shops always test before giving it back.
I'm glad I asked about time.
Yes, when you know the time, you feel more relaxed.
I used to just stand there and not ask.
But now you have the sentence.
How long will it take?
Perfect.
After time, there is another common problem.
Yes, not screen this time.
Battery.
Oh yes, the battery problem. A weak battery can make your day very stressful.
Oh, yes. When it drops from 40% to 5% in 10 minutes. So scary.
And especially in winter in Canada, cold weather kills batteries fast.
I remember my phone turning off at 30%. I was outside. No bus app, no map, panic.
That is a common problem. Battery health goes down after 2 or 3 years.
So now, let's imagine a new situation. My screen is fine, but my battery is bad.
Good. We start a new scene inside the repair shop.
I walk in again, but this time my screen is okay.
I'm still the repair staff.
And I'm a tired customer with a dying phone.
Let's begin. Hi, what seems to be the problem?
Hi, my battery dies very fast.
How old is your phone?
About 3 years old.
Okay, that makes sense. The battery may be weak.
Sometimes it shuts down by itself.
Yes, that is another sign of battery problem.
Can you check it?
Yes, we can test the battery health.
How long does the test take?
About 10 minutes.
Okay, I can wait.
Let's pause and review useful battery sentences.
Yes, these are very common in North America.
First sentence, my battery dies very fast.
Dies means the power goes to zero quickly.
Another sentence, it shuts down by itself.
That means the phone turns off without you touching it.
Good. You can also say, it doesn't hold charge.
That means the battery cannot keep power for long.
Very good. Let's continue the scene.
Yes, I'm waiting again.
After testing, I come back to you.
So, what's the result?
Your battery health is 72%.
Is that bad?
Yes, under 80% usually means it's time to replace it.
Oh, I see.
We can replace the battery today.
How much is it?
Battery replacement is $120 plus tax.
That's cheaper than the screen.
Yes, battery is usually less expensive.
How long will it take?
About 45 minutes.
Okay, let's do it.
Great. Please turn off your phone.
Okay, done.
We'll call your name when it's ready.
Thank you.
Let's review 2 more useful sentences.
Sure.
Can you replace the battery?
Very clear and simple.
And one more. Is it original battery?
Yes, some people want original parts.
Good question to ask.
I feel more confident about battery problems now.
Yes, screen and battery are the 2 most common repairs.
And both are not so scary when you know the right English.
Exactly.
45 minutes later, I hear my name.
That is always a good sound.
Yes, it means my phone is ready.
You walk to the counter again?
I feel a little excited and a little nervous.
That's normal. You want everything to work.
Okay, let's continue the scene.
I'm still the repair staff.
And I'm picking up my phone.
Let's go. Hi, your phone is ready.
Great. Can I see it?
Of course, here you are.
Wow, the screen looks new.
Yes, we replaced the battery and tested everything.
Let me check.
Take your time.
The screen is bright. The touch works well.
Try the camera too.
Okay, camera works, speaker works.
Good.
Thank you. It looks great.
You're welcome.
Let's review some useful pickup sentences.
Yes, very practical.
First one, is it ready?
Simple and direct.
Another one, can I see it?
Good sentence before you leave the shop.
You can also say, let me check it.
That means you want to test before going home.
Very important step.
Yes, always check in front of the staff.
If something is wrong, you can say, something is not working.
Or, the screen feels strange.
Or, the battery still drops fast.
Good. Clear sentences.
Back to the conversation.
Yes, you are almost done. Here is your receipt. Please keep it.
How long is the warranty?
For battery replacement, we give 3 months warranty.
What does warranty mean?
Warranty means if there's a problem, we fix it for free during that time.
That's good to know.
Keep your receipts safe.
I will.
Do you have any other questions?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
I walk out of the shop. My phone works perfectly.
That feels amazing.
Yes, much better than boom, crack, panic.
Now you know what to say when picking up your repaired phone. Sometimes problems happen after you go home.
Oh no, that sounds scary.
Don't worry. That's why warranty is important.
Yes, many newcomers don't know how warranty works in North America.
So let's imagine something small happens 2 weeks later.
Okay, my new battery is fine, but the screen feels a little loose.
Good example. So you go back to the shop.
I walk in again. This time I feel less nervous.
That's progress.
Yes, I know more English now.
Let's begin the new conversation. Hi again. How can I help you?
Hi, I repaired my phone here 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
The screen feels a little loose.
I see. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. You are still under warranty.
That's good.
We will check it for you.
Do I need to pay again?
No. If it's related to our repair, it's free.
That makes me feel better.
Let's pause and review useful warranty sentences.
Yes, this part is very practical.
First one. I repaired my phone here last week.
You can change last week
to last month or 2 days ago.
Good. Another one. It doesn't feel right.
Simple sentence when you don't know technical words.
You can also say, it's not working properly.
Properly means in the correct way.
Good.
What if the shop says it is not covered?
Good question. Covered means included in warranty.
So I can ask, is this covered under warranty?
Perfect sentence.
And if they say no?
Then you can ask, how much will it cost to fix it?
Clear and calm.
Always stay polite.
Yes, being polite helps a lot in North America.
Back to our story.
Yes, I'm waiting again.
After checking, I come back.
So what happened?
The screen was slightly loose. We fixed it.
That was fast.
Yes, and there is no charge.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you have any problems, come back anytime.
That sounds friendly.
Many small repair shops care about customers.
I feel much more confident now.
Good. That's the goal of this episode.
Screen, battery, price, time, pickup, warranty.
Step by step, nothing is impossible.
I'm ready for the final review.
Yes, let's wrap everything up.
Today feels very different from the beginning.
Yes. At first, there was panic and cracked glass.
Now there is confidence.
That is a big change.
Let's review everything step by step.
Good idea.
When your screen is broken, you can say, "My screen is broken."
Or, I dropped my phone.
You can ask, "Can you fix it?"
And very important, how much is it?
Remember to ask, "Is there a cheaper option?"
And does it include tax?
When talking about time, you can ask, "How long will it take?"
Or, what time can I pick it up?
If your battery is weak, say, "My battery dies very fast."
Or, it doesn't hold charge.
You can ask, can you replace the battery?
And, is it original battery?
When picking up your phone, say, let me check it.
And, how long is the warranty?
If something feels wrong later, say, it's not working properly.
Or, is this covered under warranty?
These are all short sentences.
A1 to A2 level.
No difficult grammar.
Just clear communication.
Living in Canada or the US can feel overwhelming sometimes.
New systems, new language, new rules.
But small daily conversations make you stronger,
Every time you speak, your confidence grows.
even if your sentence is not perfect.
Even if you forget a word.
Just try.
Most people are patient.
Especially service workers. They talk to many newcomers every day.
And remember, you are paying for a service.
You have the right to ask questions.
Politely and clearly.
Boom, crack, panic is now replaced by calm and confidence.
That sounds much better.
Thank you for practicing with us.
We are proud of you.
This is Speak Easy English.
And we will see you next time.
Keep practicing,
Keep speaking.
one simple sentence at a time.